Hey everybody, it's Scott from National Cycle. Today back in the studio, we're going to be working on putting our new VStream windshields on this 2024 Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus. Great looking bike, great performance out of it. We're going to put a new windshield on there, make it feel good, ride good, and get the wind management up to a great level for you. Simple hand tools, very easy installation, so let's get started. Included in the kit with your windshield is a set of 4 mounting bolts. To complete the installation, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and the number 3 Allen wrench. All right, so to remove the stock windshield, you'll just need a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the 4 stock mounting bolts. These bolts will not be reused, but so you can set them aside for later. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to install our new VStream windshield. This is our short, dark tint sport screen. We're going to use the supplied metal bolts that came with the kit. And then line it up. And snug them up with a 3mm Allen. I'll leave them a little on the loose side so you can make it a little easier to make any final adjustments and get everything lined up. Once you get all the bolts kind of lined up, everything's set nicely, go ahead and tighten them up. Once just tighten them so they're just getting snug and feel firm, just don't over tighten them because you can create a pressure point. And there you have it. Very easy installation. Goes on great. Looks great on the bike. Can give you great mileage going on the road. Nice thing is also, still fully adjustable just like your stock screen. So for information on this screen and all products by National Cycle, visit our website, nationalcycle.com. And also visit our social media on Facebook, Instagram, and our YouTube page. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your ride.